Hey guys, welcome to the How To channel. Internet is full of reports where users are reporting about issues related to the Roblox Account Manager. It is an app that allows users to use multiple Roblox accounts at the same time. According to reports from users, they recently received update for the Roblox Account Manager, and after installing the update, their default antivirus program started detecting the same app as malware Trojan, while other group of users reported that the Roblox Account Manager deleted itself after installing the update. And if you landed on this video, then it is possible that you're definitely facing some sort of issues related to the Roblox Account Manager. As of now, one thing is clear and confirmed that the latest update has malicious files that has exploited Roblox Account Manager. So if you're using Roblox Account Manager and receive the update, then I suggest you to do not update the app. And if you already have installed the malicious update without knowing it, then first of all, perform a complete virus scan using your favorite antivirus program and secure your PC first. And after that, remove all the account that you have linked in Roblox Account Manager. There is a higher possibility that these accounts currently have virus enter on your PC because most of the users who have installed the update are confirming this on Reddit. And if you wish to use Roblox Account Manager, then download the old version and do not update it to the latest version available. I hope you find this information useful. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe the How To channel.